I thought I'd just do a quick video to show you how easy and flexible the Kentico email marketing solution is. If you load into email marketing, we've created a template here. We've just created a simple feed, email EDM test. We can go into the feed, and from here we can create a new email and call it um, email test and select a template. Now we've created one EDM template here, but we could create multiple templates for different layouts and different purposes. Let's just choose this one. Now essentially what we get is a blank canvas to work from, which is the core template, and then we've built some widgets that we can drag into the template. So we might add a main header, which we do for most of the time, and this will automatically get client's logo, the show whether it shows the membership number or not, and that would pull it from within Kentico. It'll grab the customer's membership number. Then the first thing that we would do is drag a content block to wherever we wanted it. Now what we've done is we've coded it to be content blocks to have white, grey to keep them kind of scrolling down the screen. Now in a content block you can have a main image. Now we'd switch into the media library, and from there we've got EDM content images. Now we might just choose any image, and do we want to include a link on the banner, and we'll say yes. Let's link to an internal content page called news and media, or let's link it to the contact page, is easy. Done. So now that banner will link. We'll give it a heading. This is our main title, and let's give it some content. Goes here. Apply. And do we want to include a button? Yes, let's have a button. And let's choose a button image from the media library. Buttons. Let's have a find more on a white background. Select. And the button link, we can link that to a content, and let's link that to the contact page as well. Great. Finished with that content area. Save. Now we've got a pretty basic email template that's ready to go. Logo, membership number, main banner that links, title, text, call to action. Now in the event that we might also want to add another content block, we can do that, and we can choose this one to be grey and give it a main heading like we did before. Choose it from the media library, EDM content images, and let's choose a banner. Save. We can include a link, give it a heading. This is the second item, and we can give it test content. Now, let's not include a button. Apply, close. So now we've got a second item, and we'll just do that again. And we'll do this a white again. Now you don't have to add banners. Heading, third text. Include a button, button image. Read more on a white background. Apply. Great. So now we've got 3 news items, some with, button image is incorrect. I'll skip past that. It's just easy fix. Now what we might want to do is we might now want to add in, let's say, an automatic feed of the latest 5 news items. We drag that widget down. Options appear, introduction. These are the latest and greatest news items. Save. Automatic heading. Automatically grabs the latest articles straight out of the news item. Newest on top, oldest at the bottom. View more article, link at the bottom. Done. Now, or let's do this a different way. Let's delete that widget and let's add latest news item here, and let's do this a different way. Add our own selected items by choosing this. Goes straight to the news feed. Let's select those. Apply. And we've just hand selected the ones that we want to render inside of the template. Apply. Close the widget. Now we might just do a couple extra things. Let's grab some resources. Apply. It'll automatically pull the latest 2 CBD resources and CBD series. Paste. Apply. Close. And finally, let's close it off with some download links, which is download the app, then go to the news bulletin or go to the journal. Now we can customize that however we want. View our specialties, apply, and we can change the link here. You know, see our services, or whatever we want, and then we can control the links as well. So now we have a fully formed, great looking email campaign ready to go, and it has taken us about 5 minutes. If we go to email properties, we can change the name, the subject, the sender name, add a pre-header for mobile, so it comes through and you get a pre-header, custom pre-header, and we can tag it with UTM parameters so that we can track the success of this campaign inside of Kentico and also inside of Google. And then finally, we can create another variant, which is variant 2, which takes a complete copy of the original, create another variant, variant 3, create. So now we've got 3 versions that we're dealing with. Let's look at version 2, click on this, and let's try some different, let's try some different content. And on variant 2, let's try a different subject. So now we can see the original, variant 2, and then we can go and edit variant 3 and create as many as we want. When we hit the send button, we're going to be asked um, how we want to deal with the variants. Okay, so this is how it looks. This is how it'll look when it's being received. Looks great, all mobile responsive. So now let's click, hit send. And now Kentico will ask us how we want to deal with the three variants. If we kind of well, we've only got 3 recipients in the database. This is the staging server, but you can essentially, you need at least 3 in there in order for it. So there's 6 in there. So yeah, you need at least 3, but you could essentially, if there was 100,000 subscribers, you could reduce this down and send it to the first 1,000, 1, 2, 3, and then based off the first 1,000, the other 99,000 will receive the other variant. So there's lots of different ways that you can use to select the winning variant. Usually it's automatically based on unique opens, is a good one, and how long, if you want to like specify timing, and then it's just about hitting send. So as you can see, super powerful. The fact that you can pull content from within Kentico and very easily have it automatically render without doing anything makes it kind of, pretty powerful system. The next thing that you'd want to do on top of this is just schedule this to go. Like, you could schedule this campaign to pull the latest blog article in that format, or the latest one too, and then automatically pull resources, or events, or pull anything, special offers, automatically from within the site, and schedule it to blast to everyone that's subscribed at the end of the last day of every month, or the first day of every new month, etc. Yeah, so I hope you enjoy, and let me know if you'd like to talk about rolling out email templates.